everyone. I'm so excited to be back. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you how much I have missed making videos. You probably forgot who I am, but I'm here. So today's video, we're gonna be doing a full face of makeup you forgot about, because you likely forgot about me. We all chat about things we forgot, right? Some of these things you might be like, they might be staples in your collection, but a lot of these I think are from brands that don't even exist anymore. And some of them are like from brands that do still exist, but the actual product is discontinued. If you didn't know, I actually moved from California to Virginia 4 years ago now. 4.5 years ago, and we had our stuff in storage for a long time because we couldn't move our stuff like into the place we were staying at. We've recently got all of our stuff back, and a lot of my makeup was in there. I would say 50% of my makeup was in there. I took 50% of my makeup like with me. I had to throw away a bunch of stuff, but I kept some of these iconic things. Some of these are the original, like I've had them for years. They have been thoroughly disinfected, but they are definitely expired. I'm so excited to be here. I have missed filming so much. I have missed beauty so much, but as I'm going through things, I'm going to be telling you my thoughts on these products, whether I still like them or not, because I did like them, you know, back in the day. But also I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about where I've been in my last video. My last video is like almost a year old. Wow. If you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe. I hope that if you're old here, if you're a returning viewer, I really hope that you'll stick around, because I plan on uploading a lot more videos now that my son is in daycare, which we'll talk about a little bit now. So yeah, I'm super excited. Let's get into it. Trying to figure out if we should start with the eyes or if I'm gonna take it easy with the eyes. I've been going for a lot more natural looks, but I do have two color options, two completely different options for eyeshadow. I say we start with the face. The first product you guys forgot about is definitely the Professional. Benefit the Professional. They came out with a newer one that I like more. I know that I don't really love this as much as I used to. There's so many better primers out there. Even the newer one that's a little more hydrating, I liked it a lot more. Okay, so I'm also filming a TikTok at the same time, and I forgot like how hard it is to multitask. So this is interesting. This is actually a new one. It even has a seal on it. I just remember this pilling up on me so much sometimes. Ugh, yeah, like even the texture of it is totally not my vibe anymore, but whatever. It feels really smoothing actually. I don't know. For foundation, we've got the ColourPop Pretty Fresh. I'm sure you guys have all forgotten about this. For some reason, this wasn't as popular as I feel like it should have been. This was one of my favorites at the time. I haven't used this in a really long time. As you can see, it's kind of gross. It's probably like at least 2 years old, but I have repurchased this so many times, so it's not super old. It's definitely expired, but like I'm not gonna put something that's like 50 years old on my face, but I really do like this. This is probably gonna be a little dark on me though. I have not self-tanned. Actually, my son is allergic to my self-tanner, so love that. I feel like the lighting's a little weird, right? Is it too bright? I don't know. I gotta get used to all this. I still love this foundation. I don't love the primer. If I was using a different primer, this would be absolute gold, but because I'm not, it sucks. I do think I have to throw it away. There's not very much left in it anyway. Do they even still sell this? I don't even know. Like, I love this foundation so much though. With the right primer, it would look so good. Next, we have the Milk Makeup Bronzer Stick. This was like all the rage a few years ago. I completely forgot about this one. So when I was choosing a bronzer, I was like, this one's gotta be forgotten about by now. Okay, so where have I been? Let's talk about that a little bit. Well, I had a baby, as you guys know, and I was in Miami, my hometown, for 7 months last year, and so I obviously couldn't bring all of my recording equipment and stuff, so I was not able to film. So it's been almost a year since my last upload on YouTube, and I miss it so much, but we're back and we're here for good. I was in Miami because my hubby had some like work stuff to do in Florida, and I was like, I might as well just like stay with my mom because I miss her. And so basically my son spent the majority of his life last year in Florida. This is still super creamy. I love it so much. This is like beautiful, but I definitely forgot that it existed because right now I've been loving like the LYS one. The Mario one is really good. The Merit one for like my really natural days, which is pretty much every day nowadays. Love that one too. For concealer, we have the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This used to be my favorite concealer like 10 years ago. I swear it's been so long. This is a new one. As you can see, it's in the package. Like I bought this, I want to say like a year ago. But I haven't opened it because I haven't been home. So I want to see if I love this now as much as I used to. This is in the shade Vanilla, by the way. And I got the mini because I have so many concealers I need to get through. I just want to like really remember and see if I really like this one. I'm gonna probably do a different video like with my current favorites because I haven't done one of those in a long time. It's looking super nice. I'm probably not gonna do the crazy colorful look today, so because my life has not been crazy colorful. So I'm just gonna conceal my eyelids so we can prepare for eyeshadow. Okay, for blush. Okay, this is from Jaclyn Cosmetics, which doesn't exist anymore, as you guys know. I feel like this was not one of her more popular products, so I feel like we all forgot about this existence, but I love the color of this blush, and I feel like it's a super spring summer color, so we're gonna use it today. This is in the shade Royal Flush. Loved this one at the time. Super creamy, super pigmented, super pretty. Probably gonna take it directly from the back of my hand if I'm gonna be honest, because it's a scary color, right? Yep, that's perfect. Perfect. I'm really kind of sad that Jaclyn closed, but also at the same time, I don't know, I'm so tired of all the controversy. For cream highlighter, I know that we all forgot about this one, okay, because I forgot about it when I unpacked this. I was like, whoa. This is the Benefit WhatsApp. I don't even know how to say this because I want to say WhatsApp and it's WhatsApp highlighter. I used to love this, and I gotta be honest, like my tastes have changed and I muchly prefer a liquid highlighter over a cream one like this, but whatever, we're gonna try it anyway. And I definitely forgot about this. Did you? You know, it's like not as creamy as I remember it being. It could be because it's expired. For sure this is expired. Not bad. Not bad. It's actually kind of pretty. What the heck? I actually kind of like this. Okay, for powder, I know you guys forgot about this one. This is from KKW Beauty, which also doesn't exist, although it does exist in a different capacity now. But we've got the Bake Brighten powders. I feel like there was another one like Bake Brighten and Set. I want to say it's like Bake Brighten and Set. I could be wrong, but I used to love these so much. I have the shade 1 or light. Oh, you know what? There's not very much left in here. I will say these are 100% expired. Okay, so I'm gonna take the loose powder first. Put it at the top and take my little powder puff and set my under eyes with this and pray that I don't break out. Let's be honest. Oh, I used to love these so much. I remember. This is definitely almost out anyway. I'm probably gonna throw this away after this. Sad. I kind of wish that they would bring it back. To be honest, I don't know much about the new brand anyway. Like, have they brought these back? I haven't bought anything from the new brand. Let's use the pressed powder now. Oh no, I do remember this being difficult to open. Ow. Definitely cut myself opening it. I'm just gonna like set my under eyes because it's a brightening and I don't really want to set. I'll set the center of my face, I guess. Clean this up right here. Okay, for bronzer, we have the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm pretty sure I pulled this out of storage. So, like this particular one. This has been around forever. Oh my gosh, it still smells so good. I remember loving this back in the day, but I also remember that I couldn't get much out of it. So, we'll see how this goes. But let's see. Ooh, that made everything nice and beautiful. Yay. I don't know, the lighting is so weird. Please forgive me, guys. I'm so sorry. I really like this one still. I know that this is still pretty popular, but Physicians Formula has gotten ridiculously expensive for a drugstore brand, so I don't know that a lot of people are really still talking about this, but I definitely forgot about it. For blush, we have the Burt's Bees. This is the Bare Peach blush, and I definitely got this from Kathleen's recommendation. Kathleen Lights. I absolutely loved her back in the day. I still love her. I watch every single one of her videos, but I haven't used this in like 5 years. I definitely sanitized it though, so don't worry. I sanitize all the powders like a makeup artist would, so I won't break out. Let's see. Do I still love it? Definitely doesn't match like the cream blush that I put on under, but ooh, that's pretty. Definitely forgot this existed. It's a pretty blush. For highlighter, we have a couple of options. The Dose of Colors. This is the Katy and Desi collection in the shade Mírame. Actually, I think I had another one that was lighter, but you know what? We're gonna go with this one today, but I did want to talk really quickly because I kind of forgot that this existed when I pulled this out of storage. I was like, happy tears. This was my favorite. My favorite glow kit out of all the glow kits from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't know if they're still like really big into that, but I was gonna do the Amrezy highlighter, but nobody's forgotten about that one because that one's like iconic. It's so good. They should bring it back permanently. They brought this back like a couple years ago, and I say like for a little bit, and it was definitely my favorite. It is broken, so I'm gonna be very careful. Breaks my heart that it's broken. Definitely one of my favorite highlighters of all time. Let's do this. I love this one. It's so pretty. All right, for eyes, we have the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm not going to use this one today, but I definitely forgot it existed, and I love how beautiful it is. my god. The pans are like as big as my face. I want to say I've had this palette for like 8 years at the very least. So it's definitely old. I sanitized it anyway. I want to use this, just not today. I think I'm feeling a lot more neutral. We have the KKW X Mario. I don't know that we all forgot this existed though, because I know that their collaboration is so iconic. I have a feeling a lot of us forgot about this one though. This is the BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel palette. Oh my god, I was obsessed with this one when it first came out. I think I have it somewhere. The original, which is half the size. So we're gonna use it today. All right, guys, this is your reminder to clean your makeup brushes because I don't have a single clean makeup brush right now. I love it so much. I'm gonna go for a very neutral look. I used to use like this middle roll so much. I loved the middle roll, but we're gonna use this one today. We're gonna start with this one. I'm gonna take this one in the outer corner. Yeah, that's perfect. I don't want to go too deep. We're doing an everyday look. You know what? I'm gonna take this a little bit deeper. There you go. That's a little better. I actually remember using these as eyeshadows, but it looks like I haven't used any of them, but I'm gonna take it with my finger. Oh, I love this. I'm trying to figure out if I should do lashes and all that today, but I feel like I'm not. I'm not gonna do it because it's just not very me anymore. I'm not gonna lie, but I won't be showing you a mascara. Also, brow products. I don't have those, so I don't have old ones and like ones that you forgot existed. This eye look is pretty. It's not one that I would wear nowadays anymore, sadly. Oh, I miss the bold look, but honestly, nowadays I wear completely matte eyeshadow looks or just one and done eyeshadows. Let's take this one in the inner corner. This like crazy ass white. Oh my gosh, is it too much? No, it's actually cute. Okay, just a little bit. I really want the inner corner to pop. Cute. Obsession. Definitely should have used this before putting on mascara, but whatever. I forgot about this existence. This is a jumbo Morphe continuous setting mist. Where is Morphe nowadays? Don't even know. Really like this though. I like that it's continuous. Definitely went in my mouth. Love that. Okay, for lips, we have MAC Whirl. I don't know how many people actually forgot this existed because MAC lip liners are iconic. So I don't know, but I love this color and I recently rediscovered it. Super old in my collection, not gonna lie. I did disinfect it. Probably should sharpen it a little bit. I love this color. Love it. No one has forgotten Lipstick Gate. I'm not going to use this one today though. I also have these. These were so good. These are from Jaclyn. These are the Sweet Glaze Lip Lacquer Kit. I loved these so much. I remember loving Naked. Yeah. You know what? Let's try this one. Maybe it was this one that I liked more. Pinched. Yeah. Pinched. It looks a lot better. Okay, so this is the final look. Oh my gosh, I love how it turned out. I still love pretty much all these products. The only ones I don't know that I'm really sad. I'm really sad about like KKW being completely different. I don't know anything about the new like revamped KKW and what is it even called at the moment? I feel so out of the loop, to be honest. I loved pretty much everything. Which one of these makeup products did you forget about? Did you forget about all of them like I did? I would love to know. Please leave comments down below. And if you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe. If you are a returning viewer, please stick around because I'm going to have videos at least once a week from now on because my baby still, oh my gosh, I forgot to like kind of update you guys, but he's in daycare now. Amazing because I get to get a ton of work done. And so if you guys didn't know, I mean, I'm pretty sure I talk about this at least on TikTok and I've talked about it here a few times. I do have a digital marketing agency and I have been really expanding. So this is the year that we're going really, really big. And so I'm really happy to be able to dedicate a lot of my time to that business while baby's in daycare. So it's amazing. It's great because I do have to get ready for the day still. I'm like, we can record videos for the beauty channel every so often, and so please expect videos at least once a week from me. I'm so excited to be back and I'm gonna be trying to post as often as I can on Instagram as well because I've neglected the crap out of that one, but I am thinking about sprinkling in a little bit more lifestyle videos, though my hubby doesn't want to be online, and my hubby and I agree that we don't want our son, I don't even want his name mentioned online. I think that lifestyle videos would be a lot of fun anyway. Like I could block out his face, I could do recipes, I could do coffee recipes, I could do home decor type things. So that's probably what I'm gonna be like kind of focusing on and taking my channel in that sort of direction. But I'm really happy to be back, and please expect videos weekly from now on. And yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.